Namaste to all of you. Please sit comfortably. Please sit in a meditative posture and please keep your back, neck and head in a nice straight line. Gently close your eyes and keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the whole physical body. From the top of the head to the tip of the toes. All of you have to do the practice along with us as per the instructions given. The person demonstrating is only in case you want to see the demonstration. Otherwise, if you know the practice, please follow the instruction and get into practice. You are seated in a comfortable meditative posture with your eyes gently closed. Become aware of the whole physical body from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. Allow all the tightness, pain, discomfort, uneasiness that you may be having in the physical body. Become aware of the pains, tightness, discomfort, uneasiness that you may be experiencing anywhere in your body. Let go of the tightness. Let go of the discomfort and allow the body to be free and at ease. Now, shift your awareness from the physical body to the natural breath. Become aware of each and every breath as it flows in and as it flows out. Next time, when breath flows in, along with the incoming breath, bring your awareness to your eyebrow center. At the eyebrow center, there is a dark screen. The dark screen is known as Chidakasa. It is like the screen in a theater. But this screen is a mental screen which you can see in front of your closed eyes. Look into the screen and together we will be chanting the mantra Om. In this screen, visualize the image of your mother and father and mentally offer pranams to both of them. Visualize the image of your Guru, your Acharya, or a friend who has been a great mentor, source of guidance in your life. Finally, visualize a bright Jyoti. Visualize a bright Jyoti, and looking into the Jyoti, let's together chant the mantra Om. Breathe in deeply to chant the mantra Om. Om. Breathe in again. And again. Please repeat after me the prayer that I am going to chant now. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Now gradually externalize your awareness and become aware of the room in which you are sitting, the sounds you hear from the environment. Rub your palms against each other thoroughly till your palms become warm. Place the palms on the eyes. Feel the heat pass from the palms into the eyes. Gently drop the hands down and open your eyes. Now please come to standing position. Keep your legs about half a feet apart. Half a feet can be measured by keeping one thumb and one fist. Once you have kept the distance properly, you can close your eyes. Please close your eyes, and interestingly, the moment you close your eyes, you will realize that your body begins to sway a little bit forward and backward or from side to side. If necessary, you may please adjust your legs. And once you feel that your body has become totally still, like a statue, you may open your eyes and fix a gaze on an object in front of you. Fix your gaze at that object, and keeping your gaze fixed on that object, interlock fingers of your hands in front of the body. Bring your hands on top of the head. Place it on top of the head with the palms facing the ceiling. Now become aware of your breathing. This is the starting position for this practice, and the moment you come into this posture, you start observing your breath. Along with the next incoming breath, slowly stretch your hand upward and lift your heels up as high as you can. And when breath goes out, slowly come down to starting position. Once again, when breath comes in, you may stretch your hand upward, lift your heels up, and as breath goes out, bring your hands to the head and bring your heels to the floor. Like this, you are going to do 7 more rounds. Please remember, this is not a video for you to sit and watch. This is a live class. And I hope you have rolled out your mat and you are doing your practice. When breath comes in, you will stretch yourself upward as though somebody is pulling you from above. And when breath goes out, you come back to the starting position. And plan is to do 10 such rounds. This practice is called as Tadasana. And when you finish this practice, you bring the hands down in front of the body. Release the interlocked fingers, close your eyes, and observe how you feel now. Observe the change you experience in your fingers, your palms, your wrist, forearms, upper arms, shoulder, neck, spine, back. Also observe how you feel in your toes, feet, calf muscles, ankle, heel. Wonderful. Now open your eyes. Keep your legs about 1 meter apart. 1 meter is definitely beyond your shoulders. And also ensure that you don't tilt your feet to the side. Can you please tilt your feet to the side and show the wrong way? So this is wrong. You're not supposed to keep your feet to the side. You have to keep your feet to face the front. Sorry for that. Now once you have kept your legs at the proper distance, slowly raise both your hands by the side of the body and stretch your hands upward as if somebody is pulling your hands from above. If you have assumed the correct position of the hands, the side of your upper arms will be in contact with the earlobe. And the chin has to be slightly tucked up. This is the starting position for this practice, and you become aware of your breath now. Next time when breath flows out, along with the outgoing breath, you will slowly tilt the body to the left side. And when breath comes in, you return back to center. When breath goes out, you will once again tilt your body to the right side, and when breath comes in, you return to center. Like this, I am asking you to do 10 rounds. You have to synchronize the sideways bending movement with exhalation, and you have to return to center when breath comes in. I hope you are doing the practice and not sitting with a mug of coffee and seeing this video. Please do the practice. Along with incoming breath, you come back to center. Along with outgoing breath, you tilt the body to the side. Like this, you are going to do 10 rounds. When breath goes out, you shift the body to the side. When breath comes in, you return back to center. And once you complete 10 rounds on each side, you will slowly bring your hands by the side of the body down and close your eyes and observe how you feel. In case you are not able to continuously do 10 rounds, you may do 5 rounds, relax, and then repeat 5 more rounds. And at the end of 10 rounds, you will close your eyes and observe the changes you are experiencing in the body. Observe how you feel on both sides of the waist, both sides of the hip, back, spine. Observe the change in breathing and heartbeat. And then gently open your eyes when your heartbeat and breathing returns to normal. There is no urgency. You have to wait for your body to return to normal. Now you may keep your legs shoulder width apart. We're going to do the third practice for the day. The second practice is known as Tiryak Tadasana, and this third one is called as Kati Chakrasana. Kati means waist, Chakra means twisting. So keep your legs shoulder width apart. And raise your hands to shoulder level. You should not raise it above your shoulders. Can you please raise above the shoulders and show? This is wrong. You should not allow the hands to hang down either. This is also wrong. You have to raise the hand to shoulder level, parallel to floor. When breath goes out, you slowly twist your body to the left side. And when you come back to center, you raise the hands once again to shoulder level. Whenever breath goes out, you twist to the side. Whenever breath comes in, you return to center. And when you are twisting to the side, let's say you are twisting to the right side, the right hand comes behind the body and wraps around the waist, and left hand goes to the shoulder. If you are turning to the left, left hand comes behind the body and right hand goes to the shoulder. Like this, you have to do 10 times. Slowly, with the breath. You need not do it aggressively. It's a simple practice to be done with the natural breath. We are not asking you to do the breathing. We are only asking you to observe the breath. Know that your breath is coming in. Know that your breath is going out. And when breath goes out, you twist to the side. When breath comes in, you return back to center. And when you complete 10 rounds, please stop the practice, drop the hands down, bring the legs together, close your eyes, and please observe how you feel in your back. Observe how you feel in your neck, shoulders, shoulder blades, rib cage, chest, back, spine, hip, waist. Observe the way you are breathing now. Observe the way the body breathes at the moment. Observe the changes you experience in the body. And then you may open your eyes and slowly turn to your left side. Come on your knees in the mat. முட்டி கால் போட்டுக்கணும். And in between your legs you will keep shoulder distance apart. Once you have kept that distance, you measure one arm distance from the knees, and wherever your fingers are ending, keep your hand in the front so that your shoulders and your legs are maintained at same distance, and your arms are vertical and palms and knees are at the same width apart. Now get ready for the practice. Close your eyes and become aware of your breath. When breath comes in, along with the incoming breath, gently start moving your abdomen downward. Lift your head a little bit upward. And when breath goes out, gently drop your head down and start pushing the middle portion of your back upward as if you want to make a hunchback. So along with outgoing breath, head is dropped downward and mid-back is raised up. Along with incoming breath, head is moved upward and mid-back is lowered. Along with incoming breath, head is raised up, abdomen is moved down. Along with outgoing breath, head is gently dropped down and mid-back is raised up. Please remember, in this practice, you should not apply pressure in the neck region. When you are doing this practice, you have to just bend the head forward and upward. The entire effort should be done, put in the mid-back and the abdomen region. At the end of practice, you should not feel any strain in your neck. And the movement is synchronized with the natural breath. You don't move forward and backward when you're doing this practice. Your shoulders and hip remain where they are. Only the spine is bent forward towards the floor and raised upward away from the floor. When you finish 10 rounds, you may sit normally in any comfortable posture, close your eyes and observe the change you experience in the body. Please close your eyes at the moment. You don't have to see the video now. If you're doing the practice, close the eyes and observe the change you experience in the body. Now we will do a short Shavasana and then move on to breathing practices. Please lie down. Since this is a live class, you don't have to keep seeing the screen. Follow my instructions and do the practices. The video is available just in case you don't know the practice. If you know the practice, simply follow the instruction. Lie down comfortably. Keep your legs slightly apart. Allow legs to flop to the sides. Do not keep your legs upright. Allow legs to flop to the sides. Keep the hands slightly away from the body, palms facing upward. And fingers gently curled. Please ensure that your head is not falling to one side. Head, neck and back, all of them should be facing upward. Now please close your eyes and keep your eyes closed. Body still. Let go of the whole body. Allow your physical body to completely sink down into the floor. The whole body is lying on the floor without any movement. Your eyes are closed. Body is totally still. Now become aware of the stillness of the body and heaviness of the body. Become aware of the stillness and heaviness of the body. Feel the heaviness of the right leg, left leg, right hand, left hand, the whole trunk, head. The whole body is heavy, still, motionless. Become aware of the whole body and the stillness of the whole body. Become aware of the whole physical body and its stillness and its heaviness. Now leave the awareness of the physical body and stillness and become aware of the movement of breath. Become aware of the gentle incoming and outgoing breath. When breath comes in, at the tip of the nose you can feel chill air flowing in. And when breath is leaving, at the tip of the nose you can feel warm air flowing out. Become aware of each and every breath as it flows in and flows out at the tip of the nose. When breath flows in, chill air is flowing in. When breath flows out, warm air is flowing out. Now intensify your awareness of each and every breath. Do not miss even a single breath. Do not miss even one breath. As breath comes in, observe it. As breath leaves, observe it. By now, you should be feeling quite relaxed, free from any strain. So you may slowly leave the awareness of breathing and return to the awareness of physical body. And slowly in your own time, begin to move your toes, move your feet, move your fingers, roll your legs from side to side, bring your legs together, and give yourself a good stretch as if you are doing a Tadasana. And in your own time, you may slowly come to sitting position with eyes closed. Always after a short relaxation, you should turn your body to one side, lie down on one side for a short while, then come to sitting position. Please come to sitting position. Assume a comfortable sitting position. We will be doing the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. In the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, we are going to use the hands in a particular way. You can have a look at how the hand is placed. The middle finger and the index finger, can you show that one time please? The index finger is placed on the eyebrow center and the middle finger is placed on top of the nail of the index finger. And the thumb and ring finger are used for closing and opening the nostrils. So please sit comfortably, sit straight. Look at the way the index finger is placed on the eyebrow center. And the ring finger is used to close the left nostril. Can you please close your left nostril and show? And thumb is used to close the right nostril. Now seated in this posture, with your left hand in Chin Mudra, please make the body still. Slowly breathe out through the left nostril. Use the thumb, close the right nostril and start breathing out through the left nostril. Breathe out slowly and completely. so that you feel that you have emptied your lung. At the end of the exhalation, please breathe in deeply. When you're breathing in, you don't breathe into your chest, you breathe into the lower portion of your lung, which means the abdomen expands out as you breathe in, and abdomen goes inside as you breathe out. At the end of the inhalation, continue and breathe out through the same nostril. So you are going to do 5 rounds of breathing in deeply and breathing out completely through the left nostril. Once you complete 5 rounds through the left nostril, please close your left nostril with the ring finger. Remove the thumb from the right nostril and start doing the same practice. 5 rounds of deep breathing through the right nostril. Inhale deeply till you feel that your lung is full. Exhale completely till you feel that you have completely emptied your lung. Like this, you will be doing 5 rounds of breathing through the right nostril. Once you completed 5 rounds through the left and then 5 rounds through the right also, then keep both the hands on the knees, palm facing upward. I hope you are seeing the hands. The index finger and thumb are kept touching each other, palm facing upward. And you breathe out and breathe in through both the nostrils now. Please do 5 rounds of deep breathing through both the nostrils. Inhale as deeply as you can into the lowermost portion of the lung. Exhale as much as you can and empty your lung completely. At the end of 5 rounds of deep breathing through both the nostrils, stop the deep breathing practice and get ready for the next practice, the last practice for the day, called Bhramari Pranayama. For doing Bhramari Pranayama, you use your index finger and you place your index finger into your earlobes and block out all the external sounds. So you can see the demonstration of this practice once if you don't know it. If you know it, you can go ahead and do the practice. Do 5 rounds. After plucking the finger into the ear, you take a deep breath in and hum like a honey bee. The sound you make resembles the reverberating sound that is made by a honey bee. Like this, you will do 5 rounds of humming bee pranayama or Bhramari pranayama. And when you complete 5 rounds, drop the hands down. Keeping the hands back in Chin Mudra, keeping the eyes closed. Once again, observe how you feel at the end of this practice. We will complete today's session with the chanting of Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra, 11 rounds. Gayatri Mantra 11 rounds, and the 32 names of Durga 3 rounds, and we will chant it for the health and the protection for all the people all over the world. 11 rounds Mahamrityunjaya Mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Now we will chant Gayatri Mantra 11 rounds altogether. Om Bhurvubhasvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvubhasvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvubhasvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We'll finally chant the 32 names of Durga 3 rounds. Om Durga Durgartishamani Durga Padvinivarini Durga Machedini Durga Sadhini Durga Nashini Durgatodharini Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durga Majnanada Durga Daityalokadavanala Durgama Durgama Loka Durgamatma Swarupini Durgamarga Prada Durgama Vidya Durgamashrita Durgama Jnana Samsthana Durgama Dhyana Bhasini Durgamoha Durgamaga Durgamartha Swarupini Durgamasura Samhantri Durgamayudadharini Durgamangi Durgamata Durgamya Durgameshwari Durga Bhima Durga Bhama Durga Bha Durga Dharini Om Durga Durgartishamani Durga Padvinivarini Durga Machedini Durga Sadhini Durga Nashini Durgatodharini Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durga Majnanada Durga Daityalokadavanala Durgama Durgama Loka Durgamatma Swarupini Durgamarga Prada Durgama Vidya Durgamashrita Durgama Jnana Samsthana Durgama Dhyana Bhasini Durgamoha Durgamaga Durgamartha Swarupini Durgamasura Samhantri Durgamayudadharini Durgamangi Durgamata Durgamya Durgameshwari Durga Bhima Durga Bhama Durga Bha Durga Dharini Om Durga Durgartishamani Durga Padvinivarini Durga Machedini Durga Sadhini Durga Nashini Durgatodharini Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durga Majnanada Durga Daityalokadavanala Durgama Durgama Loka Durgamatma Swarupini Durgamarga Prada Durgama Vidya Durgamashrita Durgama Jnana Samsthana Durgama Dhyana Bhasini Durgamoha Durgamaga Durgamartha Swarupini Durgamasura Samhantri Durgamayudadharini Durgamangi Durgamata Durgamya Durgameshwari Durga Bhima Durga Bhama Durga Bha Durga Dharini Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Just remain with eyes closed and observe the vibration that is filled into your heart, your body, into your home. The feeling of nourishment, protection that you are having from your divine self. We will now chant Om 3 times, followed by Shantipat altogether. Once again, bring your awareness to your eyebrow center, and at the eyebrow center, visualize a bright, sparkling Jyoti. Looking into this Jyoti, we will chant Om 3 times. Breathe in deeply. Om. Please repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya, Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu, Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe, Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam, Urvarukamiva Bandhanat, Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste. Today again at 4 p.m. we will be having a Yoga Nidra session for about 20 minutes to half an hour. I look forward to be of service to each one of you. Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat.